Kublai pi barok kani gade kedudashan Meghalaya bat ni pediang sobhai pi barok syakatup kubar mata kejanmit. Syaban paj ki kubar kubar bunya ngini pecai kimat bokongsan. Shim katanat road transport and highways ya kasin jam ka bating halor ka jingpen slam ban penyok kendau ha Meghalaya. Sedang kejingyalang ka baars ngi jong ki Superintendent of Police bat ki Commandant ha Police Headquarter ha Shillong. Anwanra katanat pulit jong ka jela ya ka Cyber Crime Wing banyale persya ha ka jingkiu jong ki Kamsniu Cyber Crime. Ai kublai Menteri Rangba ke jela ya Usandip Sharma halor ke jingyok Korea ka takmaranong ha ka Kettlebell World Championships ha Poland. Batpoi ke India sya ka jingyele akai final ha ka Men's T20 World Cup anya kon persya ya ka South Africa ha ka Summit Clash ha Barbados la syai kasngi. Ki kubor ki babenia. Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad Sangma henne kasngi ulaong ba katanat road transport and highways kala shim ya ka sinjam ka bating halor ka jingpen slam ban penyok kendau ha Meghalaya. Konrad Sangma ubala lej banya kendu ya Menteri katanat road transport and highways hanong ba Delhi ulaong ba ka sarkar India kala don jing tmuru ban pendu no ya kitu ki project ki baslam ban penyok ya ka jaka bat ban ya laj no ya kitu ki than ki ba ka jing ban penyok ya ki jaka kadang beteng. Ulayat hu ba ulalej ban ya kendu ru ya Menteri katanat civil aviation jong ka sarkar pedeng bat ula kentu ya ban sedang no ya ka jing ai jing syakri mit jong ki lengsun kit breu nakakat lengsun Shillong. Ulaya keren ru syapang ka jing penhe ya kakat lengsun ha baljek bat ka jing sedang ya ka Shillong to flight.
Ministry of Road and Surface Transport, and in those many issues project-wise were discussed, and the ministry was very concerned about the fact that land acquisitions were not going at the pace which the ministry had expected. At the same time, I apprised him about the projects of the heliports that were being proposed for Shillong and for Tura, and he is assured that he will expedite that.
Ya ka jingalang jong ki SP bat ki Commandant Officer la penlong ha ka Police Headquarters henne kasngi. Menteri Rangba ka jela Konrad ke Sangma bat usembut Menteri Rangba ka jela ibadai kemi ya katanat kampo yeng polis iba Preston Tinsong haringkat ka jingdan lang jong ka Director General of Police ikong Ida Shisha Nongrang bat kiwe ki he pulit kilaya shimbenta ha kasngi sedang jong ka ni ka jingalang. La kami lenti ban sa shim ya ki kaptu kat ni kirai ki bakongsan ki ban penbha ya ka rukom terekam jong ka tanat ki kampo yeng polis baro ha ka ni ka jingalang. Habakren bat kilat pathai khubor ka Director General of Police Meghalaya ikong Ida Shisha Nongrang henne kasngi ila penpau ya ka jing sngokya halor ka jingkiu ki kamsniu persya ya ki kenthei bat ki khana.
Especially in 2023, were from cases of crime against women and children. Yes, crime against women and children is a rise. It's, in fact, if you look at it as a total percentage of the total crime in the state, last year it was 32% of the total crime in the state, which is a cause of concern.
Nakadaw ka jingkiu jong ki Kamsniu Cyber Crime. Katanat pulit Meghalaya kalawan ra ya kasnat trekam Cyber Wing kababiang. Kabandon ha Police Headquarter Shillong. Haba pentip halor kani ka Director General of Police Meghalaya ikong Ida Shisha Nongrang ilaong bakan salong kaway na kisnat trekam baki pulit kin pai kman bat kin pintik na baka jingpin trekam yaka kan urlong no shen.
Are you looking at?
Yes, we are looking at cybercrime. In fact, we had one of the things which I had requested the government is, proposed to the government is for a cyber unit, a cyber wing, in fact. And the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister have been gracious enough to give us the go-ahead on that. That would be one of the things that we would be focusing on and ensuring that it comes into being very soon.
Ya ka media workshop bala ai kerteng ka vartalap la penlong da ka Press Information Bureau hapo jong ka tanat Information and Broadcasting ringkat ka jinga trailang jong ka tanat pulit shillong. Hakani ka workshop layatai halor ki laitali ki criminal law bathamai kata ka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita ka Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita bat ka Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam jong usnem arpo arpulai. Ki batmu ban penkala ya ka rukom ai jing bishar hakari. Hakani ka jingelang la sakhi ya ka jingwan shimbentalang jong kinong yalam shnong ki khna puli kinong hikai na ki law college kinong lum khubor bat kinong tho khubor kila ya phliu jingmut halor ka jinglong bala penkre jong ka jela ban pentre kam ya ki te ki an ki bathamai. Ka kenhun na katanat ka kot ka khya jong gejela kan naik panya kendu ya umentri katanat kampo yeng ka sarkar pedeng la syam tayo ban pan jingkershan ban pen khlan ya kan ni katanat nalor ka jingkar pat ban khami lem ya bun kimat ki bayade bat ka negrims hashilong haba pentip ya kani ka menteri katanat ka kot ka khya ikong amprin lingdo ila ong ba ka sarkar jela kan sabanjur ya katanat ka kot ka khya ka sarkar pedeng ban yo ya ka jing ithu na ka aims ila ya thu ru ba ka sarkar kan sa shim khya ya kamat ka bayade bat ka jingla ban pentrai kamno ya ka cancer research center ha ka te ka jakapuli kala ong ru badai bandon ka jing bha seat pakerpang na ka benta ki doktor jong ka jela ban net puli postgraduate hanegrims.
This new government is the very fact that Meghalaya continues to have a status not like a national institute like AIMS and others, so we want that to get sorted out. The second thing is we want a fast track and operationalization of the cancer hospital adjacent to the Negrims Hospital in the same campus. That is a very important that's going to be a very important project, so we would like to bring it to the attention of the Honorable Minister of Health for the Union Government. Enable our own doctors to avail a special quota to study post-graduation studies in the Negrims facility.
Kementeri Katanat Karep Karyang ikong amprin lingdo insalej banya kendu bat umenteri Katanat Karep Karyang jong ka sarkar pedeng hakini kita yawan banya mir jingmut halor ki jing e baya kendu da kinong rep ha ka jela. Habaya kren bat kinong thok khubor ikong lingdo ila ong ba kinong rep ha ka jela ki syam jing e ban yo ya ki jing mentoy na ki scheme bat ki program jong ka sarkar pedeng na ka jing e palat ha ka rukom penrung yaki. Ila ong ru baki don shibun ki jing e ha ka jing pentrai kam ya ki scheme kum ka PM Kisan ha ka ba ka jing tap online ka jing penrung kerteng bat ka rukom sam ya ki sembai kilong ki bakelan bat don kam banya keren bat katanat karep karyang.
To discuss some of the difficulties of, say, for example, the PM Kisan scheme. We need to understand, we need to discuss this matter with Government of India, because some of the schemes that are coming to the people of the state of Meghalaya, there are some inherent difficulties. This online application is one big challenge for the people. Then seeding and registries for farmers is also a big concern. We need to find a model that is going to be farmer friendly for the farmers of especially the state of Meghalaya.
Kasang UDP dangshen kala penlong ya ka jingyalang ban khmi binya halor ka jingram jongka ha ka election lok sabha ukertong kasang UDP Robert June Kharjarin ulayo saw pusaw hajar sanspa hrupulai votes baro bat ulapoi ha ka kerdan ka basaw kasang UDP bat kasang HSPDP kalaya khunlang ha ka Lok Sabha election jong usnem arpo arpusaw hapo kalama jong ka Regional Democratic Alliance lani ka RDA u General Secretary ka seng u Jamino Mautho ula ai jing penshai ha ka te ka jing yakren ha ka wai pat kalyang ka seng kala penpau ya ka jing snolem halor ka jing do no ya u MDC jong ka seng na shela u ba tenwel dekar u bala klat no ha ka sni balang
di kerja parti ke belakang tam dari kita mo kalau ada suara dan ke di luar dalam Meghalaya belakang kan Chelsea. Tiga parti kananya ay penting na kicing syakri nadu kuas sedang nadu bentaro binangnya ay penting. Tiga strain buat ke organisation yang pergi dipikas lagi mau keleng-keleng kidang berani kidang pun dikisah bahwa sultanat ya ke UDP tambah aku pergi buat ke policy trekam pada kidon hi ke bawah lihat nak puntai pi. Dia nak kita tahu bagi le ke postmortem mencium ya kecik aji modlang yang marok ya.
Menteri Katanat Boarding UAT Mandal ula pentikna ban ai boarding no Shakashnong Pot Sim kabahab Haranikor Civil Subdivision Southwest Khasi Hills District ula ai ya kejingkular ha kapor ba penlong ya kejingelang bat ka KSU Southwest Khasi Hills District bat KSU Ranikor Circle ha ka office terekam jong udang shen President jong ka KSU Southwest Khasi Hills District forwardman Nongrem ula pentim ba haka jingelang kaseng kalapen kan mau biang ya halor ka jingdon kam boarding kirki haka shnong pot sim ka baklempat yo boarding hadu menta
haka jingsha kani kamat lani kami kamat kabenta ban om ka jingdawa ban ai boarding ya kani shnong ngaji sha kam desu ka jingdawa ka ban batmai na kaleng jo kaseng bat kin ngalam shnong rai nadu kisnam arja khanyo la persang ban kandu ya ki bor pada pejong ka MPDCL. Di untang kata haus nam arjar arkulairu hakas potrik jung menai me jung snam arjar arkulairu ngila le yakandu yo minista kata yu iti mandali ban kran pada bakani re ha tu ki por ki parla ban aisyran kedang kular ngi ban ai dan kini ki solar light.
Menteri Katanat Sport uba Shakliar Warjri ulai senran lang ya uladu haka jingele kai kettlebell Sandip Sharma ban ya kendu ya Menteri Rangba ka jela Konrad Sangma haka singpalai ban le ekmen ya ka jingjob bat ka jingyo khor ya ka takma ronong haka kerdan jingkya ba prapo kilo haka kettlebell world championship ha Poland Menteri Rangba ka jela ulai khuble ya Sharma na ka benta ka jingjob jong bat ulai ya shondur lang ru bat uni unong job ha ka jingyale akai cricket rung ka India shaka final jong ka limpung T20 World Cup hadien bakala penlim ya ka England dah nru pupraran ha ka semi final ha Guyana hinin kamit ka India kan saya kun persha ya ka South Africa ha ka summit clash ha Barbados la shai ka sngi kani ka dei ka jingyo rung ka balai sien jong ka India ha ka thup final ampat shimla don ba penrem ya ka India bat ka South Africa ha kani ka jingyale akai Mentang ini pet ya kajing long jingman kasun beneng hanong ba shilong. Kajing shit kalong 4.0 degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong 4.0 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka haw kalong kendai pawai na kasyas pa man step bat prapu nyo na kasyas pa janmit. Kajing hap slap kalong 0.r mm. Kala bandon kajing hap slap bat kajing tir uperthat hakikat tu kat ni kijaka. Syaban poi syak bakut jong katup kubor ngin ya pet biang sasisen yakimat pakongsan. Shim Katanat Road Transport and Highways ya kasin jam ka bating halor ka jingpen slam ban pinyo kendo ha Meghalaya. Sedang ka jingelang ka baas ngi jong ki Superintendents of Police bat ki Commandant ha Police Headquarter ha Shillong. Anwanra katanat pulit jong ka jela ya ka cybercrime wing banyale persha ha ki jingkiu jong ki kamsniu cybercrime. Ai kublai Menteri Rangba ka jela ya Sandip Sharma halor ka jingyo khor ya ka takmarnong ha ka kettlebell world championships ha Poland. But poi ke India sya ka jingile akai final ha ka men's T20 World Cup anya kun persha ya ka South Africa ha ka summit clash ha Barbados la syai ka sngi. Te parlok katung ila poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup kwa jingi menta ka janmit hadu bangin dei syam yang bat pila syai ka sngi khublai pi barok.